You searched how to buy shares of Residential Secure Income Plc. Residential Secure Income Plc holds and manages residential properties in the UK and is listed on LSE PLC under the ticker RESI.L. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy a stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and you will need to add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and type the ticker RESI.L. Then select the listing that matches Residential Secure Income Plc to open the asset page. Make sure the company name and ticker match. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct asset. Check the description and ticker to ensure it is Residential Secure Income Plc. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next market session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. After the trade is processed, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to the platform used in this guide is available in the description if you want to follow the steps yourself.